Questions. Questions are always a bit of a tricky one in French, mainly because what you learn, what is grammatically correct, is not what is usually used in the spoken language. So I'm trying here to just be a bit more clear on what people actually use. And the good news is that generally we try to keep it simple, basically. Keep as much as possible the normal structure of a normal, positive sentence. And so that means we don't normally use the inversion. When they teach you to say, Paul a-t-il téléphoné? Viens-tu avec moi? All these inversions. That's really not very much used at all in the spoken language because it doesn't keep to the normal structure. My recommendation as well, would be to use est-ce que. If you are using a question word, remember to use est-ce que in order to make yourself more easily understood. I've divided it into short and longer questions. Short questions, if it's a yes-no question, just use the intonation, just go up at the end. Tu viens avec moi? Quite easy. Don't go into viens-tu or anything like that. Just tu viens avec moi? Obviously, it only works for shorter sentences. If it's a question with a question word, the question word comes at the end. So you say il arrive quand? Tu penses à quoi? Elle parle avec qui? Ça marche comment? Anything like that. Use the question word because it remains, it's like the normal sentence. You say, il arrive quand? Il arrive demain. Tu penses à quoi? Je pense à mon travail. Ça marche comment? Ça marche comme ça. Elle parle avec qui? Elle parle avec Peter. So you can see how simple it is. For longer questions, use est-ce que. You can't rely on the intonation because the up bit is too far off. So you say, est-ce que tu vas venir demain soir pour la réunion, bla bla bla. If you start with a question word, use est-ce que as well. Quand est-ce que, a note here with quand, the pronunciation, quand est-ce que, it's a T sound. Quand est-ce que mon nouvel ordinateur va arriver? Où est-ce que tu vas aller ce soir? Yeah. So I said here, question word plus est-ce que. Pourquoi is not usually followed by est-ce que, and I think it's just because pourquoi is such a heavy word already. It's easy to understand. It doesn't need, as a position, it's not quite like ou, which is very small. So pourquoi does not really require est-ce que. What I would underline here is very often, from a long question, we change it into a small question with a comma and all the rest of the words at the end. So here, il arrivera quand, comma, le paquet qu'elle a envoyé. So you can see how much it keeps to the normal structure. It's easier. You've got the first one here, which is sort of this. Then a comma, don't forget it. And then all the bits, C'est qui, comma, le type à qui tu as parlé? Il est où, mon vélo? Comment ça va, les affaires? And that's very, very much what people use. So it's not brilliant from in a written context, but in an oral context, that's absolutely what people say. Just a note on who, how to translate who. In order to keep with this, people often say, c'est qui a dit ça? Which is awful, really. Because it's very much like, c'est Paul qui a dit ça. So you just say, c'est qui a dit ça? But that's really, it's too awful to actually say. So something quite bad as well, but not too bad, is qui c'est qui a dit ça? The correct thing to say, which I recommend, would be to say, qui est-ce qui a dit ça? Qui est-ce qui a dit ça? That's not too difficult to say, quite used, and much better than that. The thing is, if you can sometimes use qui est-ce qui, and sometimes qui est-ce que je dois remercier. Yeah. So if this qui est-ce qui is the subject of the verb here, then you use qui est-ce qui. If it's the object, you have the subject here. Je is the subject of dois. Je dois remercier qui? Je dois remercier qui est-ce que. So that's que. So if you can cope with that, then use that, qui est-ce qui or qui est-ce que. If it's too complicated, then say qui c'est qui a dit ça, although it's really not so great. But generally, as I said, keep it simple and use est-ce que to make yourself understood. I hope that's helpful. Bye.